Today I'm updating a picture with 24 karat gold. I got a picture of the kiss, which I love, but I wasn't happy with it. I liked the gold tones that are in it. Some places that I've seen online and I couldn't really find one that I liked, so I decided to do it myself. So I've already started. I've done a few of them. I used 24 karat gold. I found this on Amazon and it was about $25. I used the edible 24 karat gold, but they do have cheaper options. They had some for maybe $7 or $8. So I'm going to be finishing it up today. You can watch me do it. It's pretty simple. It's a little frustrating, but it's doable. So I found it's easiest to do this on the floor with your picture just completely flat. Easiest way possible. You're going to need tweezers. You're going to need your 24 karat gold or your imitation 24 karat gold, any kind of foil that you want. And then you're going to need spray adhesive. You're going to need paper. You're going to want to take your paper and just rip it into smaller size sheets so that they're easy to maneuver. But you don't want them too small because the spray is pretty wide, so you're going to want your paper sizes big enough that they're protecting the spray. You could tape these down, but I don't. It would make it a lot harder to pick them up. So I just choose a spot and make sure I have a flat side of paper. I'm going to choose this square to do in gold. So first I'm going to shake up my adhesive really well. And then I'm just going to spray it on and use my tweezers to apply the gold leaf. And you can just kind of spread it. So when you're done, you just remove all the pieces of paper. Blow off the excess. And there you have your first 24 karat gold square. Sometimes I want cleaner lines. Or I just want to be less wasteful because it gets kind of expensive if you're just throwing it on there anywhere. So sometimes I'll just kind of measure it out just roughly and cut it. I'll just cut a square big enough that I know it will cover what I'm working with. And then I take my square and I just put it foil side down over the adhesive. Just put this foil side down. You lay it down and you can kind of tap it. Make sure it's on there really good. And then just go ahead and lift all of it up together. And this is the square. This is the square I just did. And you can see the lines are really clean. And it's different compared to some of the other squares that I did, where I just sort of tapped it down and let it have more of a, it gives less of a sheen to it. And I just like to vary it. So this is my finished project. And you can certainly add as much or as little gold as you would like to, but it's just an easy way to update something you might not love originally with 24 karat gold. And here's my final project up on the wall. Have fun.